So what you just saw the last couple of minutes was me basically pushing the blockage out of the drain right where this new clean out was installed. There's even a date on the concrete that they did, and it's 9/7/2023, and the blockage was literally right here at this clean out. So as soon as the water drains out, we'll take a look, see if we could see anything on the camera as far as what might be wrong right here. My guess is they either connected to a bad piece of drain and that piece of drain is an issue, or there's an issue with the work that was done. There's a lot of water in the drain that has to drain out first. We're getting somewhere here. Further down, the blockage was right here. Honestly, it doesn't not look that. Looks like it's holding water here, though. Like maybe there's a belly. You can see that water is just kind of sitting there, still flowing a little, but when you come out, you get to a point where there's no water, and this is the connection they made right here, because right there is cast iron and that's PVC. PVC is the material they use to do this repair, and as I go back I start going underwater. So pretty sure the issue here is there is a belly in this line here. And that's why it's backing up. Stuff is accumulating in the belly right there. I'm out.